welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking down my 7 weeks mini braid. I have a bit of new growth as you can see, and my ends are also a little bit dry. For this takedown, I'm going to be using only shea butter, and I simply apply the shea butter to the ends of my hair, massage it in, and also apply it at the roots. Then I begin the takedown. I'm also attempting to get a braid out from this takedown. Okay, I rebraided the front and back perimeter of my hair. That's why it doesn't have that much new growth. I don't know if you can see how clean my scalp is. That's because I washed my hair at the 2 weeks mark, and I also kept up with my moisturizing routine and all of that. The front section of my hair is always the most difficult to take down, even though I braided it at some point. Anyways, I hope this braid out turns out fine. I finally took down the first one down, and I have 1,000 more to go. I'm very generous with the shea butter when it comes to the ends of my hair, and I just apply a little bit to the roots also. And I start taking down, and it actually makes the process easier and faster for me. I know I've asked this before, but once again, are you team oil for your takedowns, or team conditioners for your takedowns, or team butter for your takedown? Currently, I love this shea butter. This I only used 100 naira shea butter for this takedown, and the price of leave-in conditioners and hair conditioners in general is quite crazy this period. So I'm sticking to shea butter for my takedowns, and it just works fine. Once I get to the roots of my braid and it feels difficult to get down, I apply more shea butter at the clumped point, and it just makes the process smooth and easier. Okay, I'm also trying not to separate the clumps. I'm just trying to get out tangles. So I don't know, just get out the tangles, but I'm also trying to maintain the clumps or curls. Okay, and one of the reasons I will always choose doing my hair by myself over someone else doing it for me is takedowns. Like, my takedowns are easier when I'm the one that installed the protective style. Okay, you remember my last cornrow takedown video? It was so difficult to take down just 10 cornrows. Anyways, there was a little bit of tangling going on here, and once I applied a little bit of shea butter to my hands, I gently tried to separate it, and before you know it, it was out. Anyways, this takedown took 2 days, and the cornrow takedown also took 2 days. In fact, it was more stressful, and I finished the 2 days. I finished the cornrow takedown at midnight, but this one I finished around 6 p.m. or so. The tangles and knots I encountered during this mini braids takedown was little to none, so I didn't get to use the scissors that often to trim away the single strand knots and all of that, which was something I struggled with during my my cornrows takedown video. Okay, I noticed that the braids at the back section of my hair gave more defined curls than the ones in front. I don't know if you guys can notice, but just take a look. When I rebraided the braids at the back section, I joined most of the sections together, so that's why I have bigger braids at the back. At this point, the braid out is not just giving, but we're going to trust the process and continue. And speaking of braid outs, I tried one a few months before I installed this mini braids, and it turned out bad, like really bad. So fingers crossed. I hope this turns out fine, and I'm not having my hopes high for the perfect braid out or anything. My fingertips hot at this point, and I just don't know how to take down my protective styles with the rattle tooth comb. So I'm just going to stick with doing this in my hands. Okay, I don't even think it's a good idea to use a rattle tooth comb to take down your protective styles, especially if you've had them long, like this one. This is like 2 months. If I had added extensions, I would have considered using it at some point, maybe towards the end. But since I didn't add any, I'm just going to stick with my hands. Let me know in the comments if you are team rattle tooth comb, toothpicks, and all of that for your takedowns, or team using your hands like me. I feel like this might be the last time I would install mini braids, like ones that are this small like this. I might be sticking to maxi braids or jumbo braids or whatever, because my hair is getting longer and fuller, and installation of mini braids takes so much time. Takedowns also take so much time. So I feel like I just can't deal with it, in fact. As I said earlier, I'm trying to get rid of the tangles and knots while still maintaining the clumps or curls or whatever that will give me the braid out. It's already night and I haven't even taken down half of this mini braids, and I am so tired. And I started this very early in the morning. Shrinkage is already doing the most. Anyways, I'm going to bed, so I'm going to quickly stretch this using my shoelace and tuck it into my hair bonnet, and I'll see you guys the next morning. This is the next day, and I went ahead to take down some of the mini braids off camera. And yeah, you guys, I'm trying to show you my scalp, like the fact that it's clean without any build up. I'm starting off once again with my shea butter. I apply a generous amount to the ends of my hair and start to take down. And to be honest, I think I prefer using shea butter for my takedowns compared to conditioners. It just makes the process easier and faster. And if you've not tried using shea butter for your protective styles takedown, try it out and let me know what you think about it, okay? At this point, I'm really questioning myself, like, why did I make this many braids this tiny? Yes, I know it might not be that tiny to some people, but to me it is really tiny because I've been doing this. This is the second day and it's almost night and I'm still doing this. I am tired. Anyways, I'm finally on the last strand.
Jesus.
You guys, I'm finally done with this mini braids takedown, and as I said earlier, the back section has more definition than the front section, as you can see. Anyways, I'm going to quickly take down the other side so that we see what my braid out looks like. Okay, this side I banded looks so stiff, and I don't want to apply any products at this point. I'm just shaking my head to see if it will help it loosen up. Anyways, what do you think? Is this a braid out or not? And if it's a braid out, rate it in the comment section how good it looks. For me, I absolutely love the results, and at the time I'm filming this video, I'm still wearing this braid out or whatever. I've worn it for 2 weeks already, and I've been getting lots of compliments about how beautiful my hair is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.